Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is brought to you by QVR here. For you all who want to know the full meaning of QVR, QVR simply means Queen Virgin Remy. It's a human hair brand that specializes in producing quality human hair. And in today's video, I'm going to be working with their Afro Kinky bulk. The hair color I'm working with is natural. The length is 22 inches and I was sent 5 packs of the Afro Kinky bulk. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack, and each pack of this hair has a crochet hook in it. So here I'm separating the hair to show y'all how soft it is. And for today's tutorial, I'm doing the trending mini twist. So I already sectioned my hair so it can be easy for me to work with. Each cornrow is gonna have 3 parting. I don't know if you get that, but what I mean is each cornrow will have 3 lines going horizontally. Yeah, so keep on watching. Finally, I'm done. I must say, this hair took me 24 hours to make. Look at my exhausted, sleepy eyes. While making this hair, it got to a point I wanted to cry. But your girl loved challenging herself. I was like, you see this hair? Me and you would die here. If you don't finish me, I'll finish you. And finally, who won? Makami. Period. So I went ahead to apply some leave-in conditioner on the twist to lock in moisture. After that, I'll spray some water on it to define the curls. I used the whole 5 packs that was sent to me to make this mini twist. You're shocked, right? Your girl has a big skull and a head full of hair. But the most important thing is that it was enough. So after spraying some water on it, look at how beautiful and defined it looks compared to the other side that I haven't sprayed yet. I'll do the other side off camera, then come back and show y'all. Now look at that. This is how defined and moist your mini twist should be at all times to avoid breakage and loss of hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Check out my description box for more details on how to buy this hair. Also subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, share, and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.